Hey guys, welcome back to another video in this series. In this video, I'll be showing you loops in Go. Okay, so let's first start with a basic for loop. So a basic for loop is similar to something like C and C++ in Go. So first we define our increment variable. So we'll call it I, colon equal to 0. We'll start from 0. Then we put a semicolon and then we put a condition till how much we want to run. So for us it would be I is smaller than 10, so the loop runs 10 times. Then we'll put another semicolon and we'll say I++, so it basically increments by 1 every time. Let's put our brackets. Now let's just print I. So let's run that. Go run main.go. So we get our loop which ran 10 times from 0 to 9. So that's a simple incrementing for loop in Go. Okay, so now we'll learn how to use while loops in Go. So Go doesn't has a while keyword. You'll need to use the for keyword as a while loop. So I'll show you what I mean. So let's first set our variable I to 0, right? Then we'll say for, and then we can just put a condition like we would use in a while loop. So we'll just say I is smaller than 10, and we'll just print I, and we'll increment it by 1. So that's how you can use a while loop in Go using the for keyword. Okay, now I'll be teaching you about a keyword called range, which helps you in looping over a array or a slice. So let's say we have this slice of alphabets and we want to loop over it. So we can use the method that I just taught you, but there's a better way. So to do that, we'll say for index comma value colon equal to, then we'll use a range keyword and then your slice or your array. We'll put brackets and we'll print index and the value. So that will just print out each value at each index. So at 0 index it was A, at 1 it was B, at 2 it was C, at 3 it was D. Now let's say we don't care about the index value, we just want the normal value. So if we do something like this, we'll get an error saying index declared and not used. So in Go, whenever you want to declare a variable but not use it, what you can do is you can just name it underscore. So you can do that, and we'll no longer get the error saying index is declared and not used. So that's how you can use the range keyword to loop over an array or a slice. Okay, so now I'll teach you how to loop over a map using the range keyword. So let's loop over this map called grades. Okay, now I'll be teaching you how to loop over a map using the range keyword. So now I'll teach you how to loop over a map using the range keyword. So to do that, we'll use for, then we'll say for key comma value colon equal to range grade. So similar to basically exactly how you would do it in an array or a slice, just this time it's key comma value. So we'll print ln. We'll print f. We'll say percentage s got the grade percentage s. Let's put our key comma our value. So in our case, the key would be the names or the key of the map, and the values would be the actual value of the maps or the grades that we have defined. We'll run that and I haven't added the new line. Okay, so we get Jacob got the grade B, Arya got the grade C, Jonah got the grade D, and John got the grade A. So that's how you use a range keyword to loop over a map. Okay, so that was looping in Go. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you loved it, and hopefully meet you in the next video where we'll be talking about functions in Go. Bye.